araw sa ating lahat. For our session for today, we are going to talk about composite figures. And of course, we are going to have explanation and real-life examples. So without further much ado, let's go. Definition of terms. What is area? Okay, unahin natin ang area. Area is the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares or square units that cover the surface of a closed figure. The area is measured in square units such as square centimeters, square feet, square inches, and others. Okay. Itong square units na ito, it will depend upon the unit na binigay doon sa dimensions ng ating figure. Okay? Sige, mamaya makikita natin yan. Next, composite figure. What is a composite figure? Composite figure is a two-dimensional figure made up of more than one basic two-dimensional shapes such as triangles, rectangles, circles, semicircles, and others. Okay. So, pag sinabing composite figure, meron siyang magkakasama siya, pwedeng dalawang triangle, pwedeng rectangle na sila ay connected sila sa isa't isa. They make one figure pero makikita natin na merong iba't ibang two-dimensional figures. Okay, next, let us have the formulas. Okay, area of a square. Area of a square is equal to A is equal to S times S. Or A is equal to S squared, wherein S stands for the measurement of one side. Okay, since ito naman ay square, alam natin ang square ay 4 sides siya, pero ang lahat ng measurement niya ay pare-parehas. Kaya, isa lang ang malaman mo na kanyang measurement ay okay na tayo doon. Next, area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to L times W, wherein L stands for length and W stands for width. Okay? Next, we have area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 BH or BH over 2. Okay? Alam natin na kapag magkadikit lang na ganyan, halimbawa 1/2 BH, ang ibig sabihin yan, 1/2 times B times H, wherein our B stands for the measurement of the base and H stands for the measurement of the height. Okay, next, formulas pa rin. Circle. Area of a circle is equal to pi, okay, this is pi, r squared. Okay, pi r squared or r raised to 2, wherein pi is equal to 3.14 and R stands for the radius of the circle. Ano yung radius? Radius is the measurement from the center of the circle to one of the points lying on the circle. Okay? Mamaya sa ating illustrations, makikita natin yun kung ano ba yung radius. Next, semicircle or semicircle. Area of a semicircle is equal to 1/2 R times, 1/2 pi r squared or pi r squared over 2. As you notice, pi r squared, ito siya, yung area ng circle. Because a semicircle actually is half of a circle. Kaya, ang formula natin is the formula of your half of your circle times 1/2. So, hahatiin mo lang siya actually. Okay? So, same tayo. Pi is 3.14 and R is the radius. Okay, let's have sample problem number 1. Okay? What is the area of a square if one of its sides measures 5 centimeters? Okay, halimbawa ito yung ating square. And, yan. So, square siya. 5 centimeters. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is a square which measures 5 centimeters. So 5 by 5 siya. Now, we are going to get the area. Actually, dito pa lang makikita na natin kung ilang square units. Okay, pero sige, mag-compute muna tayo. Okay? Area is equal to S times S. Okay, that is now 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Okay, 25 square centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters siya. But naging square centimeters? Okay, kung ano yung binigay na unit sa ating dimensions dito, yun ang gagamitin mo sa yung square units. You just put the word square, then centimeters. Okay, pwede mo rin gamitin centimeter squared. Okay, that is raised to 2. Okay, either way, kung anong gagamitin ninyo, okay lang, pwede yan. Okay, and we read that as 25 square centimeters. Parang ito lang yan, no? Yan, this one, ito, isang square centimeter yan. Then another one, this is 1 square centimeter. Then this, again, is 1 square centimeter. Now, multiply natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 5, that will be now equal to 25 square centimeters. So, meron tayong 25 square centimeters sa ating square na ito. Okay, next, let's have sample problem number 2. What is the area of a rectangle whose length is 10 meters? Okay, remember 10 meters and width is 5 meters. Okay? So, kunyari, ito yung ating rectangle. 10 meters by 5 meters. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng grid. Now, if you measure that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Next, 5 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 by 10 meters na rectangle. Now, we are going to compute for the area. We use the formula L times W or LW, wherein L is equal to 10 and W is equal to 5. And we multiply 10 by 5, that will become now 50. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. We have 50 square meters. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, meters yung ginamit natin dito, same as through, meters din dito. Okay, 50 square meters. So, kung bibilangin mo isa-isa yan, kung bibilangin natin lahat ng squares dito, that will be equal to 50 square meters. Okay, next, sample problem number 3. What is the area of a triangle whose height is 4 inches and with a base that measures 3 inches? Okay? Triangle. Okay, 4 inches by 3 inches. Okay, ito yung height. Ito yung height and ito yung base. Yan. Okay, remember, this is the height and this is the base ng ating triangle. Now, we are going to have it, ano yung ating formula? That is 1/2 pH. Kung mapapansin nyo, bakit kaya 1/2? Tapos, pH, base times height. Actually, ito, meron siyang similarity sa formula ng rectangle. Kasi, pag halimbawang, okay, balik natin yan. Okay, pag halimbawa, yung ating rectangle ay ganyan ang measurement. 4 times 3, ano magiging sagot natin? 12 square inches. Pero dahil tayo nga ay naglagay ng triangle na ganyan, so kung mapapansin nyo, siya ay kalahati, itong triangle ay kalahati actually ng isang rectangle. Therefore, kaya ang ating formula is 1/2 times base times height. Okay, wherein, okay, we now substitute 4 is our height. Okay, pwedeng pagpalitin yan actually, sorry for that. Okay, pwedeng pagpalitin yan, base times height. Okay, 1/2, 4 times 3. That becomes 1/2 times 12. And 1/2 of 12 is equal to 6 square inches. Okay? So, kanina nga sabi nga natin, pag siya ay rectangle, pag buo siyang rectangle, 12 square inches. Pero since siya ay kalahati lang, magiging 6 square inches. Next, sample problem number 4. What is the area of a circle? Okay, this time we're going to talk about circle whose radius is 2 centimeters. Okay, so ito yung ating circle. Ano ba yung radius? Radius is the measurement, sabi natin, from the center to one of the points lying on the circle. So ito yung circle natin. So yan yung lying on the circle. Okay, so ito yung circle natin. Okay, from the center to one of the points on the circle. So yan yung ating radius. So mas madali kung ito na lang yung susundan natin. Ayan o, 1, 2. Okay, same as to dito. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Actually, if you are going to use a ruler, kahit itong part na ito, kahit maglalagay ka ng chord dyan, or ng line segment dyan, that is also equal to 2. Okay, basta nasa gitnang-gitna yung iyong point. Call it now the radius. Okay, ito yung radius. From the center to one of the points lying on the circle. Okay, let's have the formula. Okay? So, ito yung radius natin. Yan yung radius. Okay? Yan yung radius which is 2 centimeters. Now, let's have the formula. Area is equal to pi r squared or pi r raised to 2. Now, we substitute. Okay, pi is 3.14 and our r is 2. So, raised to 2. Now, 2 raised to 2, that is 4. Siyempre, PEMDAS rule tayo. Unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis, tapos exponents. So, that makes it, okay, 2 times 2, that's 4. And 3.14 times 4 is equal to 12.56. So, ang ating unit ay square centimeters. Sorry, square centimeters. Bakit? Okay? Centimeter kasi yung ginamit dito. So, that is equal to 12.56 square centimeters. Okay? Let's have problem number 5. What is the area of a semicircle whose radius is 3 centimeters? Okay, let's have a semicircle. Okay? Yan ang ating semicircle. Okay. So, ito yung ating center. So, ito yung radius. Okay? Yun yung radius natin. Pwede ba dito? Yes, pwede yan. Pwede rin ba from here up to rito? Yes, pwede. Pero dito na lang tayo kasi meron naman tayong guide. Ito, pwede rin dito. Pwede rin sa baba. Yan, may mga guide yan, no? So, that is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay? Now, we are going to compute for it. Area is equal to 1/2. Okay, 1/2 pi r squared. Okay, kaya mapapansin nyo, kalahati na lang. Okay, kalahati na lang. Bakit? Semicircle kasi. Okay, kaya naging 1/2 pi r squared. Remember, kanina, sabi natin, area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Kaya ito naman, 1/2 pi r squared kasi kalahati na lang ng isang circle. Okay, so therefore, 1/2, we substitute now, 1/2 times 3.14 times 3 raised to 2. Siyempre, uunahin natin itong 3 raised to 2, it's equal to 9. So, 1/2 times 3.14, sa pinope lang natin, applying your PEMDAS rule again, 1/2 times 3.14 times 9. Okay, pwede na natin i-compute yan. Pwede muna natin ito. 9 times 3.14 or 3.14 times 9, that is equal to 28.26. Okay, 28.26 times 1/2 is equal to 14.13 or 14 and 13 hundredths square centimeters. So, dahil centimeters ito, gamitin natin square centimeters. Okay. Next, sample problem number 6. Find the area of the figure illustrated below. Okay, lagyan natin ng grid. Madali. Yun. Dito na yung sinasabi nating composite figure. Why composite figure? Okay. Pwede kang magkaroon ng figure dito. Pag hinati mo siya, pwede siya magkaroon ng two or more plane figures. Okay? Kaya pwede natin gawin, hatiin natin sa dalawang simple na plane figures. Gagawan natin siya gagamitan natin ng color coding. Okay? Yan. Okay, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, okay, hindi nagbago yung measurements natin, pero nilagyan lang natin ng color coding. First, let us compute for this rectangle. Okay, itong rectangle na ito. So, since this is a rectangle, okay, yan, color-coded din. Since this is a rectangle, okay, we solve for the area of rectangle that is equal to length times width. So, ang length niya is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, ang kanyang width ay 1, 2, 3. So, that makes it 4 times 3. Okay, which is equal to 12 square units. Yan, 12 square units. Next, what about for this figure? Okay, this is a square. Yan, bakit square? Ayan, no? Parehas yung dimensions niya. Okay, so this is now a square and we compute for the area of the square, that is, area is equal to S times S. Okay, our S is 2. Therefore, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 square units. Next, okay, alam na natin ito. Alam na natin itong ating square. Alam na natin yung area ng ating rectangle. Anong gagawin? We just add. Okay, we just add the two areas. Okay, we have the rectangle which measures 12 square units, and the square, the area of a square which measures, okay, ito yun, 4 square units. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 square units. Okay, next, let's have sample problem. Next, sample problem number 7. Find the area of the figure illustrated below. Okay, another one. Okay, so ganyan naman. Okay, so ito tayo yung ating figure. Okay, so next, ang gagawin natin, again, we are going to matiin natin siya into simple figures. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ganyan, pwede yan. Ganyan. Yan ang pagkakahati niya. Okay? So first, ito tayo sa ating figure na ito. Okay, we solve for the area of the first rectangle. Okay, we have first rectangle here and the second rectangle in color pink. Okay? So area is equal to length times width. The length of this is equal to 3 and the width is equal to 2. So 3 times 2, that is equal to 6 square units. So kung bibilangin natin siya, ayan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square units. What about the other one? Okay, the second rectangle. Okay. Formula again is length times width. And length times width natin. Now we substitute. Okay. Ang length natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ang ating width is 1, 2. So that makes it 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 square units. Now we're going to add two areas. 6. Okay, ito yung 6. Then ito yung 10. So that makes it 16 square units. So kung bibilangin natin actually lahat ng square units na yan, we are going to come up with 16 square units. Okay, tanong, bakit kaya units lang? Okay, bakit kaya units lang? Kasi po, wala namang nakalagay na unit of measurement. Hindi siya nakalagay kung centimeters, meters, feet, or inches. Basta nilagay lang. Nag-drawing lang. Okay, so pag ganyan, pag hindi specified, we are going to give it, sabihin lang natin units. Okay? So, kaya ang sagot natin will be 16 square units. Okay. Basta walang binigay na unit of measurement, you just put, lagay nyo lang, units. Okay. Sample problem number 8. Okay, find the figure of the illustrated below. Okay, figure illustrated below. So, yan naman. Okay, mukha siyang vinyl tiles. Okay, mukha siyang linoleum. Okay. Actually, kitang-kita natin, pwede natin siyang hatiin dito. Okay, we have dito itong figure na ito, and this one is another figure. Pero let us get now the measurements. Okay. So kung ito 5 centimeters, 5 feet, sorry. So ito 5 feet. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito walang measurement, which is kailangan natin. Kailangan natin to para ma-compute natin to. Next. Okay. Dito, kailangan din natin to. Pero since walang nakasulat, kailangan din natin malaman yan. Ngayon, paano gagawin natin? Okay, sige, hatiin muna natin. Yan. Okay, so imagine natin, ito muna tayo sa figure na ito. When we are going to compute for this, okay, yung length natin will be 5, pero pansinin nyo, wala tayong width. Okay, ano, dito walang width, dito walang width. Okay, first, let us figure out how to get that. Kung mapapansin nyo, this one is 8 feet. Ito daw buong to 8 feet. Okay? So kung itong buong to ay 8 feet, okay, and alam natin na ito ay 4 feet. Okay, since this is a rectangle, etong dalawang height na ito, kung ito 4 feet din ito. So kung itong part na ito is equal to 4 feet, okay, 4 feet ito dahil ito nga ay 4 feet, therefore, we can subtract 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 to get this. So 8 minus 4, that is equal to, okay, pansinin natin, 4 feet. Yan. 4 ito, so parehas lang siya dito sa kabila. 4 feet. Okay, next. Okay, ito rin ang next na ating hahanapin. Ito naman. Pag compute kasi natin ito, kailangan din natin ang length times width. Okay, since ang length nito will be 4, ang width, okay, ang width natin, okay, assuming na wala tayong grid lines dito, okay, ang width natin, pansin natin, dun tayo magbe-base sa 5. So, kung titignan natin yung 5, at ito 3. So, 3 hanggang dito siya. So, therefore, kung ito 3 at yung buong ito ay 5, so we can subtract 5 minus 3 para matira ito, itong part na ito, which is parehas naman dito sa ating base. That is equal to 2 feet. Okay, so buo na yung dimensions natin. Now, we can compute for our surface area. Okay, now, okay, solve for the area of the first rectangle. Ito na. Okay, solve for the area of the first rectangle. And we have here, length times width, dahil rectangle siya, okay, 5 times 4, which is equal to 20 square feet. Okay, 20 square feet ito. Okay, 20 square feet. What about the other rectangle? The one in color pink. So that will become now, okay, length times width pa rin, will become 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And finally, we add the two areas. Okay? The first area measures 20 square feet and the second one measures 8 square feet. It will become 28 square feet. Yun. Last. Okay? Another illustration here. Okay? Yan. Pansinin natin. Meron siyang dome. Okay? Meron siyang dome. Okay? Hatiin na natin yung ating figure. Okay? We can have a rectangle here and a semicircle or semicircle. Now, the first thing to do is we are going to get the dimensions, of course. Okay? 4 feet by 2 feet. Okay? And we have the radius. Ang radius natin is 2 feet. Okay, yan, 2 feet yung ating radius. From the center hanggang doon sa ating one of the points on the circle. So first, let us have this step 1. Okay, the area of the rectangle. Okay? Length times width. That is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8 square feet. 8 square feet. What about our semicircle? Okay? Solve for the area of the semicircle, which is equal to pi r squared over 2. Okay? Ito yung ating formula sa semicircle and we are going now to substitute. Okay? Pi is 3.14 times, okay, r, which is equal to 2, okay, squared. So first thing to do is you get first the number with the exponent, and that will be equal to 4. Okay? 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. So 3 times 14 times 4 over 2. So we can first multiply 3.14 times 4, that is equal to 12.56. We divide 12.56 by 2, that will be equal to 6.28 square feet. O, 6.28 square feet. So ito yun. 6.28 square feet yung ating measurement dito. Now, finally, we are going to add the two areas. Okay? Ito ay 8. Then this one is 6.28 square feet. So therefore, our final answer will be 14.28 square feet. Yun. Okay? Yun lang. Salamat sa pakikinig. So kung mapapansin nyo, marami tayong mga formulas, marami tayong mga equation para malaman natin ang ating area. Okay, so wag nating kalilimutan ang ating mga formulas na ito. Ayan ang ating mga formulas. Okay, you can have it there. Pwede nyo i-screenshot. Okay, pwede nyo i-screenshot yung ating mga formulas again. Napakahalaga ng ating mga formulas. Bakit? Para malaman natin kung paano makukuha yung ating mga area. Okay? So that's all for today. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. God bless you all. Happy learning. Bye-bye.